Hello and welcome to my channel, Scotland Mushroom Foraging and Fishing. Today I'm going to share with you something different. Today we're going to make a health drink from juice ear, wood ear, mouse ear, whatever you want to call them. Well, the proper name is in the bottom somewhere. Wood ear is a medical mushroom which contains vitamins and minerals, especially minerals. So yeah, you can eat this mushroom in dishes, but I'm not very keen on them, so I'll just make a health drink. So you can add other ingredients for flavoring, whatever, or other mushrooms like you will see later. But first, what we need to do is, because at the moment they're dried, so collect them, dry them. So what we need to do is just hydrate them. So these wood ears are the only ones I know, after drying them and rehydrating them, come back to the original state. And the same is when you freeze them. You freeze them, you defrost them, they come back to this original state as they were fresh. So okay, I'll just put some water in it. You can use warm water if you like. So I got about 30 gram dried here. So okay, we just leave them soaking for about 20 minutes and then we'll be back shortly. Right, so now after about 20 minutes soaking juice here, oops, one fell down, and they just look like as you will pick them in from the trees. Yeah, incredible. So they hydrate very well. So I'm just going to quickly chop them up and then we go to the next step. Right, so that's for me fine enough. You can chop it fine if you like. So yeah, we just add it into the pan. And see if I can. I just must point out again that if you do pick wild juice ears or wood ear, mouse ears, whatever you want to call them, make sure you identify the tree where you're picking them from. If you pick mushrooms from a poisonous tree, the mushrooms will absorb the poison. So out of a good edible, you're going to make a poisonous mushroom. So make sure you identify the tree where you're picking them from. Right. Yeah, as I said, you can add some your own flavors, other different mushrooms in here. I got some chaga, crushed up chaga. So I just gotta add a couple of spoons from this one. Or you can add other flavors, maybe elderflower or things like that. So as I said, I don't like eating them. And we got some reishi. Reishi powder. So a spoonful of this. There we go. So we're trying to achieve to get about 2 liters. So to get 2 liters, you gotta put at least 2.5 liters in there, at least, and then you gotta simmer it for 1 hour. So As I say, you don't need to really boil it, rolling boil, you just need to let it simmer. So, yeah, I add some more water and then I'll be back for the next step. Right, so now after just over an hour of, so just leave it to cool down. You leave the lid on, just let it cool down slowly, and then show you the next step. So basically now what we're going to do is we're just going to drain it. Then we just fill it into a plastic bottle. I only used just a normal standard sieve. Probably you will get some sediments in the bottom. If you want to fill it finer, that's fine. Use a cheesecloth or something finer. I don't mind a little bit of small bits. So yeah, we got nearly 2 liters. That's roughly what we wanted. And we just let it cool down a bit more. And keep it in the fridge, cold fridge, for about a week. So then I usually take, let me show you. Like a glass that size, 1 in the morning, just after I get up, and 1 just before I go to bed. And I will leave a nutritional fact sheet at the end of the video, so you can have a look what's actually in there on vitamins and minerals. We're not going to discuss what is good for today. I think it's better you do your own research. I don't want to put any claims in, and so do your own research. I've been doing it now for years and I like it. And as I say, you can alter the flavor as you wish. You can put some elderflowers in there or some other mushrooms. I mean, turkey tail would be another one you can use. So the options are endless. That's just only a basic guide. So I hope you found it useful, and we'll be seeing you in another video. If you got any questions, please leave it in the comments and I'll try to answer as best as I can. Until then, see you later. Bye bye.